Mailcow versus Mail in a Box versus Mailu, which is the best self-hosted mail server. So, are you looking to self host your email and finally ditch third party providers like Gmail or Outlook? Today, we're breaking down three of the most popular open source email server solutions: Mailcow, Mail in a Box, and Mailu. So, whether you're a developer, sysadmin, or just someone who wants full control over their email, we'll help you figure out which one fits your needs best. So, let's get right into it. First up is Mailcow. So it is a feature-rich Docker-based mail stack designed for power user and production environments. It comes loaded with a sleek admin UI, built-in groupware tools like calendars and contacts, advanced spam and virus filtering with RSPAMD and ClamAV, full support for multi-domain setups, 2FA, DKIM, fail to ban, and more. So if you're running email for a business, clients, or multiple teams, Mailcow delivers a complete professional-grade experience. But here's the catch. It's resource-heavy, runs multiple containers, and can feel complex to manage. You'll want to be comfortable with Docker and Linux system administration. Now let's talk about Mail in a Box, the go-to choice for anyone who wants email working quickly and easily. It's a one-script installation on Ubuntu that sets up email, webmail with Roundcube, TLS encryption via Let's Encrypt, DNS records and DNS SEC, even contact and calendar sync with Nextcloud. Mail in a Box is perfect for personal use or small teams. It's extremely beginner-friendly and does all the heavy lifting for you. But because it's opinionated and tightly integrated, you don't get much room to customize. It also doesn't play well if you want to host other apps on the same server. Then there is Mailu, the middle ground between the two. Like Mailcow, it's Docker-based, but unlike Mailcow, it's modular and lightweight. You choose which components to enable, which keep things fast and flexible. Mailu supports multiple webmail clients, DKIM, DMARC, antivirus and spam filtering, admin UI for managing domains, users, and quotas, and a clean, efficient architecture for minimal overhead. It requires some Docker knowledge, but it's not as resource hungry as Mailcow and gives you more control than Mail in a Box. It's a great option if you want a clean, customizable mail server without going full enterprise mode. So which one should you go with? You gotta choose Mailcow if you're managing multi-domain or enterprise email, or you need a full suite of tools and you're comfortable managing Docker and server resources. Pick Mail in a Box if you want zero-fuss setup, you're a beginner, or just need a simple personal mail server that works out of the box. Go with Mailu if you want balance, something Docker-based but lightweight. You want more control than Mail in a Box without the complexity of Mailcow. So all three are solid choices. It really depends on your technical skills and hardware resources and how much customization you need. So that's it for today's review. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.